Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control a Firestick without a remote. Let's go. Open Settings. Network. Check network. Your phone and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Fire TV app. Choose your Firestick. Enter code. Done. That's it. Now you know how to control a Firestick without a remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.